This is a daily roundup, a daily forecast video in New York Open. So I suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. And let's go ahead and start with GJ by clearing all the drawings. So in a monthly time frame, monthly is bearish. Weekly is creating a more upper wick. It doesn't have a lower wick, so we should be very cautious of this because usually all the weekly candles have wicks, so this one has potential to come up, down, form again the wick. So you should not jump into buys straight without serious confirmation, because we can find buys, but we need very high confluences to enter a buy. On a day from daily is bullish momentum, broke the highs and everything, so daily is good to go. In terms of daily, let's go ahead checking 4 hour. Previous 4 hour support was somewhere over here. But now we have a new support here, and we have a new resistance at the range, like this. Obviously we have some other resistance, like over here, for example, or over here. So until this level we can reject at any point, but that's why we need to go in lower time frames and check this. For example, there you can see this candle here showing a level there. In the 1 hour, obviously now we have this resistance, which we should be very cautious. Resistance needs to break above the take price, break. And now we're coming to this resistance right over here. We tapped this level, we rejected, so, and then we have this slowly move up, down, upside, so not very huge momentum to the upside. We had also this resistance here, which is now an interesting level, because you can see here this resistance has this ranging level, so we can come back at this resistance at any point like this, and then find some support and come again to retest this high made. Or if we don't hold here, we can just keep going down, which is now, wait 1 second. Let's move this to most recent support right over here, and then we have another level right over here. So sells below here, sells below here if we break and close below. And this is target for sells. However, if we come up and, because I mean, when you think of it, we only trade these clean markets, clean traffic areas, and the only clean traffic area I can see is here, and below here maybe this, and below here maybe this. But in these levels it's hard for us to trade, or at least to enter. We can hold trades. But here, for example, we have this resistance here, this resistance here, because normally if we come up and break this low without breaking this high here, we should flip and continue down. Or for buys it's tricky. For buys I would not enter buys at close to resistance. I would enter buys only if we break above here. I was thinking buys above this level because we have setups that if we form resistance and break resistance, we continue into the upside, but we are close to this resistance here, so I'm not, and we rejected that once, so it's not easy to enter buys on the break of the highs here. But I would have enter buys if we come to this level clean, and then here we find some sort of support, and then we break that support here. I could potentially enter buys from this level, but because then we have a much bigger range to the resistance that we have over here, and we can move that, and we can be easy risk free. If we enter, for example, here 10 pip, here move stops a break, even if it goes, it goes. Otherwise this is not a trade. This is not a range level I would trade this here, no chance. Now let's go ahead and remove this. So as of now we discussed, let's go quickly on 30-minute and check what is on GJ. On GJ it's gonna be only in this level, we can move it just a bit here, but only on this level. So GJ we put an alert here if we come here and if we come here, otherwise we don't care about GJ today. On gold we need to go remove the drawings. Well, the time frame is bullish, has a very small wick to the downside. Weekly is rejecting again this level, has no wick to the downside, so this can be potential amazing stop hunts for weeks now to flip and then keep going up, because I'm expecting this move to be corrected for 2 weeks now. Since this rejection here at this resistance, I was always waiting for this. Also you can see that in our previous analysis, especially in the beginning of the weeks, where we analyze weekly candle, weekly time frame more in detail. So on the daily time frame we are constantly in an uptrend, but very low volume uptrend and very risky and tricky to trade, but we need to break below here for sells based on the daily time frame. If we flip on the daily time frame and don't break these highs, we can fill this wick potentially before keep going down. Let me just clean this drawing before moving to the 4-hour time frame. 4 hour had this huge rejection right over here and then keep going down, so we need to break this level for 4 hours, but then you have this resistance. It's so hard to trade gold. It's very hard to trade gold in these days, because but let's go ahead on 4 hour and mark the levels. We have resistance here, we have support here on the 4 hour time frame, and next resistance is up here, next support is here, next support is here, next support is here. You have so close, like no good ranges between supports. Only here that we have 100 pips, but and then next one is here. Okay, let's move to the 2 hour time frame and let's go ahead and check our levels now. Here in 2 hour we have support, most recent support here, and then we can have potentially this as a target. Resistance on the 2 hour we have here, we have here, so this whole range is a resistance in the 2 hour. What we can do here is we made a low in the 2 hour, come back from resistance, retest the low here. I will show you our trading plan that is according to this setup at the moment. It's like this. Price makes a low, price makes a low, price comes up at resistance, price comes up at resistance whenever. This is also resistance, but this is too early and just too small range compared to the clean traffic. If we come to here, then we can move. And we confirm resistance like this candle here. And we would have potentially this range is 98 pips, so this is good range. That's one trading plan that I can think of at the moment after this new low made, because we made a new high from this support, but then we broke this one, we came till here. So technically in the smaller time frame we are bearish, But now on the 1 hour time frame we are at resistance here, which is perfect. We close above resistance, we break the highs. If we don't break the lows and come up flip, we're creating a wick now. If we don't close below this, we can easily continue up to the bigger resistance here for later to sell. So it's 17, 16 pip till this level, 15, 16 pip, and then we'll stop to break even. Okay, we can try to trade that, and let me show you the trading plan, which is I'm talking about, is something like this. So yeah, this is, we can actually have this here because now we're doing a daily every 2 hours, or not just the trade we take but also the setups. So we have gold price at resistance, it's bear buy, wait a second. I need to fix this. Wait. Why my drop down data has been lost? Anyway, bear buy, break the high, time frame is 1 hour, stop loss previous 1 hour, time of the entry, pre-trade link is this. Let me take this setup here, and then we will keep going up because of this. We analyze this setup anyways. So yeah, let me go ahead in August, for example. We have this, for example. Let's go in December, and we have this. Bull buy, bull sell, bear sell, bull sell, bear buy. Right. Bear, bull buy, bull sell, bear sell, bull sell, and bear buy. Now we go with setups also, like this. Setups. Oh wait, how am I doing this? Pair, setup, trade number, trend, entry type, time frame, stop loss, time of the entry. All of these we have. Oh shit. We have here pair, setup, trade number, trend, setup, time frame, stop loss, time of the entry. Perfect. Now we have perfect. Let's just go here to this also, so we have automatic. So what we have here, pre-trade link, because because here we don't have, we can add this column. Yeah, this was our daily roundup video, but now I'm not. This was much longer than expected, but yeah. Let's go quickly on GJ and check what happened here to round up this video. Yeah, nothing. We need the cells below here if we break. Like this. Something like this, come up, make a range and then break below to sell here. Or for buys, we need, just like in gold that we're expecting at the moment, we need resistance formed and then break of the resistance. We can take this actually. Also for GJ now, make this. But we don't have a specific setup. Price at resistance. Price at support, I believe. Setup number 1. Price at resistance, GJ. Setup number 2. Setup number 1. And trend is bullish. Yeah, we trend is constantly bullish in lower time frame. Bull, sell, bull, buy, break the low, break the high. Time frame is 1 hour, I believe. Yeah, but here we don't know yet. We don't know yet this, but okay, let's just leave this one here at the beginning, but we don't know it yet. Let's delete these, and yeah, this is how we do it. And for gold, we have this setup on higher time frame and this setup for lower time frames on 30 minutes. So yeah, gold is time frame 30 minutes for today. 30 minutes. If this is the setup, this is on 30 minutes, right? Yes, 30 minutes. Okay. Technical is price resistance. Price broke resistance. And about clearing track to the left side. Next 30 minute candle didn't break the 30 minute candle close. If we break the high, we should to go up. Let's see, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna update you on this trade on a daily roundup and on this possible what's gonna happen on GJ with, because obviously we could, it's not only this but this makes sense here, but also we can come up for support here and then break support to move up, because overall we are in a bullish trend, but we have some clean traffic here and then we could mirror that. Otherwise, for safer buys only above here. Gold is moving up, it's flipping, so yeah, we should be good to go up on gold. The buy stops above here now activated, and then let's see. Let's see, volume we have is New York open, we can move 20 pips possibly. Okay, it's tricky to move so crazy last 5 minutes. Break again the lows. If we break the lows, this was not a trade that we would have taken, because just like we said here, prior next 30-minute candle can break the previous lows, so this candle should not break these lows, but it broke and then just move up quickly, so yeah, it's not in the best place to be in a trade. Sorry for being this video so long, but we saw some setups, because when we do the analysis, if we don't see setups, it's gonna be much shorter. Obviously, we just tell what we expect, but if we have setups at the moment that can occur, like in gold here, for example, we will obviously spend more time on the videos. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I hope this video will help you.